Welcome to episode 30 of Skills to Income. I am your host, Mohammad Altamash, and today I am walking you through the 3-day email sequence that turns new subscribers into buyers automatically. No long funnel, no aggressive sales tactics, just 3 simple emails sent via Kit that build trust and convert. If you're using lead magnets to grow your list but nobody's buying, this is why. Let's fix it. Why the first 3 days matter? When someone joins your list, their attention is at its peak. They just signed up, they're curious, they're open. But if you don't engage them fast, you lose them. That's why I always set up an automated 3-day welcome sequence inside Kit. So every new subscriber gets nurtured right away. Here's the structure. Email 1, the welcome plus win. Email, subject line. Here's your download and a quick story. This email does 3 things. 1. Delivers the freebie. 2. Tells a short story of why you created it. 3. Gives a light CTA to your 499 rupees product. Example. Hey, name. Here's your free download. Hope it saves you hours of research. Quick story. I made this guide because I wasted 3 months figuring this stuff out myself. If this saves you even 1 week, it's done its job. By the way, if you want to go deeper, I've got a starter kit that walks you through the full process. It's just 499 rupees and comes with step-by-step videos. Here's the link if you want to check it out. No pressure. This email is casual, helpful, and action-oriented, but low pressure. Email 2. The teach plus relate email. Send this the next day. Subject line. The biggest mistake I see beginners make. Structure. 1. Teach one small concept, something that connects to your offer. 2. Show empathy. 3. Invite them to your paid product softly. Example. A lot of new creators try to post daily but have no plan, and they burn out. I've been there too. That's why I created a faceless content planner that helps you map 30 days in 1 hour. It's inside my toolkit if you want it. Even if they don't click, they start seeing you as a guide, not just a seller. Email 3. The social proof plus scarcity. Email subject line. This helped customer name launch in 3 days. Here, you share a quick win story from someone who used your product. You don't need a big testimonial. Even a DM screenshot works. Structure. 1. Share the story. 2. Mention the transformation. 3. Add a soft CTA like, if you are ready to launch 2, you can grab the starter kit today. It's just 499 rupees and takes 30 minutes to go through. Pro tip. Add PS doors close Friday or bonus expires in 24 hours if you want to trigger urgency. How to automate it with Kit. Here's how I set this up. 1. Inside Kit, create a welcome sequence with 3 emails. 2. Schedule day 0 immediately. Day 1, day 2, 3. Use smart tags like lead magnet download or interested in toolkit. 4. Add your product links in the CTA buttons. Now, every new subscriber goes through this flow without you lifting a finger. It builds connection, educates them, and invites them to buy calmly. Where to promote this funnel. Once your sequence is live, here's how I bring people in. Reels. Want my free toolkit? Link in bio. Story. DM me launch to grab the cheat sheet. Pinned posts or carousels. Bonus offer inside your Tag Mango course or community. Bio link, lead magnet, kit. Email flow. Sale. This isn't just about sales. It's about systematically turning strangers into superfans. Tools I use for this flow. ChatGPT. To draft email scripts and subject lines. Kit. To build lead magnets, send emails, and automate the sequence. Canva. To design lead magnet PDFs. Tag Mango. For product access and community upgrades. Google Docs. To plan and store sequences. CapCut for reels that drive traffic to your lead magnet. Everything works together, lean, smooth, and powerful. Thanks for listening to episode 30 of Skills to Income. You now have the full blueprint to create a welcome sequence that converts using Kit and real storytelling. Screenshot this episode, post it on Instagram, and tag me. You can find the username is mentioned in the description. And that wraps up our 30 episode journey. If you've been following this far, thank you. You're not just learning how to monetize your skills, you're learning how to build a life of freedom. We are not done yet, more series are coming. Until then, stay consistent, stay curious, and always choose freedom.